Welcome to Business Live. I'm Mark Croskery in BL tonight. First up, we got Cargo Handlers Limited. That's ticker symbol CHL, the company out west in Montego Bay. Also doing very well from Buying House Cement Limited. Dividend consideration here coming up for CHL. The company states in an advisory that at a meeting of the board of directors scheduled for February 10th, 2022, the directors will consider the payment of an interim dividend for this year. Now, Scotia Group Jamaica, a trade advice here or trading in their shares. Scotia Group senior manager sold approximately 23,000 shares on January 28th of this year. Access Financial Services Limited here, profit rebound. The profit recovery continues for the third quarter and 2021. That's in 9 months or year to date. Now, this is for the period ended December 31st of last year. Loans and advances improving actually to 4.5 billion Jamaican dollars. Huge number there, year over year, coming from 4.04 billion. Now, Scotia Group Jamaica, we saw some of these numbers before, but fair year-end profits, but the loan book, shrinks or shrank here, which is a concern. Coming out here with their audited financial numbers, Scotia Group Jamaica. Year-end profits closed actually at Jamaican 8.4 billion for October 31st of 2021 versus 9 billion for the year before. So that's down about 600 million Jamaican. It's fair given the environment, the pandemic continuing, but not what you want to see. Earnings per share fell to Jamaican 270 in 2021 versus 291 in 2020. Now, the loans net of allowance for credit allowances, this is a concern in terms of what Scotia Group Jamaica is doing here. It closed the year end at 208.5 billion versus 220.7 billion in 2020. So clearly they tightened up there, whatever happened. But the point is the loan book got smaller. Last up tonight, we got Indies Pharma Jamaica Limited, continuing clearly to gain some market share, or that seems to be their strategy. Audited financial results here as at October 31st of 2021. Revenue grew nicely by 11%, 846 million and change versus 765 million and change year over year. That's at 11% growth factor. Earnings per share did decline though, 13 cents Jamaican versus 16 cents year over year. But notably, when you look at the profit line, there was a finance cost that increased by approximately 58 million Jamaican. So they're taking a lot of debt there. They did their R&D. Let's see what's happening there, research and development. But if you back out that finance cost to an extent, a nice number year over year. The net profit, the bottom line here for the October year end, was Jamaican 178.5 million Jamaican dollars overall. I'm Mark Croskery. This is Business Live.